In this video, I will show you a new letter that will pay you $300 per hour, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. First of all, I want you to go to this website called g2.com. So here on this website, they have different categories of softwares. As you can see here, people are rating all the software from 1 star to 5 stars. So by giving simple ranking on this website, you can usually get paid over and over again. And don't worry, it's actually much easier than you think. Now all you have to do is scroll down and right here look for this section that uses the software, and basically you just want to write a review and simply rate it. So just click this button right here and this will take you to this page. As you can see here, there are series of steps that you have to follow. So step 1 is you choose a product software to rate, and step 2, you basically have to leave a very simple review, and step 3, you have to share it. It's that simple. You can earn $300 over and over. Now, before you start, you need to log in. You need to create a free account on G2. So all you have to do is click on this button here and it will take you to this page where you can simply log in or create a free account. You can use your LinkedIn account, Facebook account, Google account, or any register on of your business emails. Creating your account shouldn't take more than 60 seconds. Once you create a free account, you can literally rate this software and actually start making money. So now let me show you everything from the beginning. The first step is to find and select the software or product you want to rate. As you can see here, there are different categories of software that you can choose from, such as e-commerce marketing or retail sales, finance and IT accounting, etc. Now I am going to show you a real example. So let's say if you prefer to check software in IT category, just click on it and it will take you to this page where you can find different software in IT category too. So from here, when you scroll down, you can see different software and different products in which you can easily rank and earn, and the earning opportunity is unlimited. The best part is that you can definitely do it in less than 10 minutes and you can do it as many times as you want. Now for the purpose of this video, we will choose Dropbox because I believe many of you already know about it. So right now what we're going to do is just go ahead and select Dropbox by checking this box here. By doing this, you can see here on the right hand side that you have selected on product, which means you can actually choose from multiple products. For example, if you want to rate on Zoom as well, you can just click on it, and as here you can see that you have selected 2 products. Next, when you've chosen the Dropbox option, I want you to click on this continue button. So go to step number 2, which is really important. So make sure you write a short review about of the products you're using. As you can see here, and right here we choose Dropbox. So just go ahead and click on this review button and it will take you to this page. Now you need to pay close attention to this question. How likely are you to recommend Dropbox to a friend or colleague? So you can rate from 0 to 10 how likely you are to recommend to the app to other people. In this case, I really like Dropbox a lot. So I'm going to give it a 10 right away, which is very possible. Going to the next step is the title of your review. So right on this box, you can type something to express your opinion and feedback on using Dropbox. So I'm giving you another bonus tip to help you earn money instantly. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. So as you can see, this is Dropbox software that many people are reviewing and rating it. It has been reviewed by many people all over the world. Now, when you scroll down, you can find more information about Dropbox, but the most important thing is that you can actually get a lot of idea about how other people give their opinions. To do this, you can go to Google Play and read the reviews. So by looking at this example, you can get more ideas on how to write your reviews and provide your rating. And you can do exactly that and start making money today. I have given the title of the best recommend online file sharing, so go to the next question. Which do you like and what don't you like about Dropbox? This is actually very simple, as you only need to write at least 40 chapters for each question. So you can see here, this is exactly what I showed you earlier, and this is what he liked most and what he doesn't like about the software. It's actually a lot easier than you think after you've complete all the question to confirm that the review is based on your own experience and your true opinion of this particular software. Now just make sure you have answered all the required questions. After doing that, just click submit and you will easily earn $300 or even up to $900 over and over again starting today.